I think I want you more than want. I know I need you more than need. I wanna hold you more than hold. When you stood in front of me, I think you know me more than know.
Once again, good afternoon, Stephanie and Ryan. Welcome, we are gathered here today, surrounded by the beauty of creation and nurtured by the sight and sound of nature to celebrate your love union. And I will ask to the groom first, Ryan. Do you take Stephanie to be your wife? If you do, say I do.
I do.
Now to the bride, Stephanie, do you take Ryan to be your husband? If you do, say I do.
I do.
Seen you in white, but I've never seen anything quite like you do.
Hi, sweetie. Here we are. After all the laughter, the good times, and the hard times, we've chosen each other to do life with. I remember when we first started hanging out, I felt a sense of calm around you. You made me feel safe. Up until then, I'd spent much of my life chasing chaos and excitement. So that feeling was unfamiliar. I didn't know where it would lead. We kept seeing each other, taking it slow for a few months, and slowly started to grow on each other. When you asked me to be your girlfriend at that romantic spot at the back of the Greyland Tavern, I had no doubts when I agreed. Then came our first summer together at Mangawai and Opedo Bay with my little Alfie. He quickly became very obsessed with you, and by the end of the summer, I was too. Since then, our relationship has been filled with adventure and childlike fun. From staying up all night listening to records together, to throwing two-person dance parties in our lounge, performing karaoke duets on your road trips, singing at concerts together, racing down ski slopes and luge tracks, dressing up as samurais in Japan, enjoying many beloved snorkeling trips in Fiji, putting each other into laughing fits until one of us can't breathe, and me relentlessly beating you at Monopoly Deal. Just like all the most beautiful things in this world, our relationship has also been one of growth. My love for you has truly grown over time. 7 years on, and it's still growing every day. It's grown so deeply within me now that it's a permanent part of me, and I truly do not believe I could survive without it. Because of you, I've also grown so much as a person. I've experienced the kind of growth I once searched the world for, through travel, spiritual practices, and every soul-searching experience you can imagine. But in the end, it was something much simpler, finding love with a good, kind-hearted man. Together, we've persevered through some hard times, and we've come out stronger on the other end. I'm so proud of us and how much we've grown together and how far we've come. And I'm so proud that after today, I get to call you my husband. Ryan, you are loved by so many, including me, because of the incredible person that you are. A man made up of many great qualities. The one I love the most is your kind heart. The way you care so deeply for the people you love, including me. That's something I'll be forever grateful to your beautiful mother for passing on to you. I remember at the start of my relationship, every time I moved flats, you'd lug my stuff from one to the next in your van, and you'd build me furniture and new wardrobes to make me feel settled. When Alfie was dying, you encouraged me to drive to Mangawai to say my final goodbye, even though your mum had just passed away. Then when I got back, despite your own grief, you held me while I cried, because that's the kind of caring person that you are. Oh. You leave my lunch by the door for me in the morning, and you write me little reminder notes or send me reminder texts when I need to do something important, because you know I'll forget. You're always thinking of me, and I'm so lucky to have found a partner who is so consistently caring and thoughtful. There are so many things that I love about you. Mostly, I just love your company. I love coming home to you. I love our trips to Opera Bay and Mangawai, spending time with each other's families, the way you make me laugh, the inappropriate and offensive jokes we make together and about one another, our shared love-hate relationship for the kitten. I especially like it on the nights that we decide to turn against him, because nothing unites two people than a shared enemy. I love how you accept everyone just the way they are without any judgment. I love how you genuinely don't care about what people think about you. I love your loyalty. I love how you've worn the same stupid ripped cargo shorts since the day I met you. Overall, I just love you. Ryan, you have made me a better person. You have made me a happier person. You've taught me to enjoy the little things, to look for the good in the world, and focus on the good people around me. You showed me that I don't need to fight every battle. You've even made me tidier, which some would say is a miracle. I once heard that soulmates aren't written in the stars. They're two people that choose each other relentlessly. The person that you choose to share your most precious moments of life with and stand beside in life's toughest. Today, I can say I honestly couldn't be happier with my choice. And most of all, I couldn't be happier that I'm yours. So, since these are vows, I vow to be your biggest supporter. I vow to always prioritize fun together. I vow to stand beside you in the hard times and celebrate with you in the good. I vow to keep growing with you. And I vow to be the best wife I can be. I love you, my darling. Thank you for choosing me.
Watching everybody getting older. Watch them leave New York.
Steph,
Stay and kiss your
you look beautiful
face.
today, darling.
Little
And
heart to
after more than 8 years together, it still feels pretty crazy to be here. But I'm certainly glad that we are, and I can't think of a more fitting environment to seal the deal in. From the first time I met you, I've always admired your fun, adventurous, free-spirited and kind nature. Thankfully, I too had been to Vancouver to live, a pretty lucky break in terms of keeping the conversation going that first night, as I now know how much you despise small talk. It was exciting getting to know you, and although we had our fair share of differences and run-ins back then, I think we have come a long way together, and I appreciate the patience you've shown in making our relationship a successful one. Mid to late 20s is a time of life where you, or me personally really grow from a child into an adult. And although I didn't probably realize it at the time, you've been crucial in teaching me about maturing mentally and emotionally, amongst other things. My favourite times together have always been holidaying, whether it's been local to Coromandel or Mangawai, or international, Japan, Australia, Fiji, now Indonesia, and hopefully many more places to come. It's when you really come into your own. Exploring is what you've been put here to do, and I always love to see how happy you are when you get the chance to get away. My respect and trust for you grew even further when I found out Mum was sick, and throughout those hard 2 years, till she passed, and in the aftermath, you were supportive, understanding, patient, and helpful when I needed it most. She really loves spending time with you, and we would be proud to see us as husband and wife. I love to see how much we've grown together as individuals and as a pair. I respect you, trust you, appreciate you, love you, and look forward to more and even better times together ahead for the rest of our lives.
Ryan, the ring symbolises my love for you.
And the commitments we made today,
It is my honor and delight to declare you married and partners in life for life as husband and wife.
Well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and thought, 'cause you're a date for the prom. I'm